Okay, very good afternoon here on the 15th of January 2019. We are in two positions short here at Master the Markets in the live trading room and the Vedanta Elite trading rooms as well. So two trading positions here at this time. So you can see the first one, just minimize calculator. The first one here, of course, is the pound against the US dollar, and the second one, the euro US dollar. I just want to walk you through both trade opportunities, just give you a little bit of an understanding as to why we've shorted this market. Now, one of your initial reactions may be that we've shorted these markets because of the upcoming vote, the upcoming Brexit vote, to see if Theresa May is going to get the backing or not from the rest of the cabinet. That's not the reason that we have taken these positions short. So what we do here at Master the Market is technical trading. It's not based on fundamental analysis, it's not based on news. What we're looking to do is use the news to fuel the positions, but for the technicals to give us a direction of what's happening even before we get involved with the market. So here's what I want to show you. Now, this is the money bars trading strategy. Both of these trade opportunities are revolving around the money bars trading strategy, which has given us a really great level of success last year. In fact, 73% reliability. I think 73% of our trades were profitable last year, and it looks as though it's happening and continuing on into this year as well. Now, one thing I should tell you about both of the trading positions that we are running, you can see the £1,500 of net upside that we're on at the moment, floating profit. One of the things that I should tell you about this is that this is not a banked profit, which means that it's very possible and very easy for it, and this is what happens with news announcements of this nature, for it to just kind of snap back and just go straight for our protective stop losses. So obviously if that happens, we will make a controlled loss. So you can see here currently the controlled loss on that pound US dollar will be £1,107. Okay, that would be the controlled loss that we would look to take if the market did reverse against us. Now on the euro dollar, we've had the opportunity to what we call trail our stop loss already, just here. We've gone ahead and trailed our stop loss just here. So it was originally here where we would have had a controlled loss of around £1,100 as well. Now you can see the controlled loss actually is going to be £675. So I've still exposed here, by taking this position, we as a team, we're still exposed to £1,700 of net downside, even though we are currently up £1,500 in floating profit. Now, on the other side, this could very easily continue to travel lower. You can see one of the things that we've got in place here is our profit target. Remember, the great thing about everything that we've done here is that this took 15 minutes last night to set up. And it's completely automated. I don't actually need to be by the computer to control any of this. The take profit is already in place for £1,480 just there. If the market does dip, this Eurodollar market, if it does dip another 20 pips lower, we'll be out of this particular trade opportunity at 114.81. So 114.81, £1,481 of upside. So that's if that happens. Otherwise it can go for the controlled loss. So we don't know at this stage. There's a lot of volatility in the lead up to that 7 p.m. vote. It may even be after 7 p.m. as well, so do note that. But you can see around 3 hours to go, and the market is falling off pretty heavily. So the Eurodollar, we're taking advantage of that. We can see we shorted Eurodollar from all the way up here. And so this is moving lower. This is our take profit. The pound dollar, a little more unique. It doesn't have a take profit set, so this could run pretty much, you know, an incredible distance this evening. If the vote moves in such a favor where the pound dollar were to fall off, we may see this falling off quite heavily, and we'll be able to capture that downside because there's no take profit that's been set. So we're looking for a signal on this bar to create a signal for us to tell us where we're going to take profit. We'll do that mathematically. Again, it's not based on feeling or guessing or anything like that. The reason it's mathematical is because we want to be able to replicate it. So that's the idea there. We are short the market. You can see that pound dollar, euro dollar. That's my update for now, and I'll give an update, further update into the next couple of days once these positions have closed out, either for profit or for loss. It doesn't really matter here at Master the Markets because we know it's a numbers game. We'll end up net overall profit. So that's it from me. Till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, keep trading like a master. Bye for now.